Get started with Google Ads. Want to run ads on Google and reach new customers? Setting up a Google Ads account is quick and simple. Let's walk through the steps to get you started. Step 1. Visit the Google Ads website. Begin by typing ads.google.com in your browser. Step 2. Click Start Now. Hit the Start Now button. Sign in with your Google account. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can create it right during the setup. Step 3. Set your advertising goals. What do you want to achieve? Choose your main advertising goal, such as driving more website visits, phone calls, or sales. Step 4. Create your first campaign. Now it's time to get creative. Write compelling ad copy. Choose your audience based on location, age, and interests. Set your daily or total budget. Quick tip: start simple with your first campaign to test and learn. Step 5. Enter billing info. You'll need to add your payment method to activate the campaign. Step 6. Launch and monitor. Once you're ready, click Publish and let your ad take flight. Don't forget, you can monitor the results right from your Google Ads dashboard. Setting up a Google Ads account is your ticket to powerful advertising tools that drive real business results. So whether you're promoting a website, product, or service, let's get you advertising like a pro.